Welcome to VB Ceramics. This is roller hearth furnace. This furnace will be using in tile industries. For that glaze and frit testing. This is a control panel for roller hearth furnace. Here we can set the maximum temperature up to 1200 degrees Celsius. This control for using speed control. We can control the speed of rollers. These are the switches. This end we are inserting the tile for testing. This tile will go to next side. It will sinter and glaze will be coated over the tile. Then another end will be come. This is another end.